Hello. I'm going to be demonstrating a quick Python program I made where you can basically turn any image into something like this, or here's another one, and a different picture, a little bit different stuff. I also implemented recently a triangular shape, so we're going to be messing around with that. Here's the base image that I'm going to be using. We're going to mess around with that a little bit. So I'm going to get started in the terminal right here. Python photometry.py and give it that file. And the first thing I'm going to do is just an inverted ring. And I'm going to enter a ratio between 0 and 1, so I'm going to do 0.5, and then a width of, say, 100 pixels. And I'm going to say yes to the negative color. We'll just wait a second. And there we go. There's that. And it asks the program asks if we want to keep stacking, so I'm gonna just click. I'm gonna say yes. You also have the option to restart. I'm gonna do another inverted ring. Let's do 0.65 this time, with a width of 150, and let's not do negative color. Let's keep the original, but just invert it. And we'll just give it a second to work on that. It's a little bit slower because it's a high resolution photo, and also I'm screen recording. So anyway, this is the product, and I also made it to where it saves it. It saves the ones that you work on. So here's the first one, and then here's the second one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and keep stacking, and I'm gonna add some triangles this time. So let's do a ratio of like 0.7. And just start with like 50, and let's do negative color. And the triangle function is going to be using some barycentric coordinates to determine which pixel lies within this triangle that we've defined. And there's our result. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add another triangle just for the fun of it. Let's do a little bit bigger, so like maybe 0.85, and let's do a width of 80, and let's do negative color for that too. So I'll just wait for that. Taking a bit longer than normal, but it's alright. And there we go. There's our current working product, and you can keep going and stack as many times as you want. The cool part is they overlap, so as you can see, I made this original circle in the center negative, and then when I made the two triangles negative, it just reverted that circle back to the original color. And so you get this really cool, trippy effect. And yeah, it was just a cool way to make abstract art with just everyday photos. So yeah, thank you for watching.